narrated by Ubaidah bin as-Samit, who took part in the Battle of Badr and was a Naqib, a person heading a group of 6 persons. On the night of al-Aqaba pledge, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, while a group of his companions were around him, "Swear allegiance to me for not to join anything in worship along with Allah, not to steal, not to commit illegal sexual intercourse, not to kill your children, not to accuse an innocent person, to spread such an accusation among people, not to be disobedient when ordered to do a good deed." The Prophet ﷺ added, "Whoever among you fulfills his pledge will be rewarded by Allah, and whoever indulges in any one of them except the ascription of partners to Allah and gets the punishment in this world, that punishment will be an expiation for that sin. If one indulges in any one of them and Allah conceals his sin, it is up to him to forgive or punish him." In the hereafter, Ubaidah bin as-Samit added, "So we swore allegiance for these points to Allah's Apostle." Hadith number 18, Sahih Bukhari.